Here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, still holding on to blustery conditions. Of course, the wind, the magnitude of it, not nearly as bad as it was last night, but at times the coastline gusting over 40 miles per hour. Take a look at Oakland Beach under mainly cloudy skies, but a few locations have had some breaks. You can see it right in there. Some partial sun coming through the cloud cover. Couple of showers out there right now. We're not expecting any deluge or thunder, but next few hours, a sprinkle or a brief light rain shower. High wind advisory expires shortly at 6 o'clock this evening. A high wind warning for Block Island, the Cape and the Islands, where the wind's a little stronger right now. That expires at 6 o'clock as well. So even though it shuts down at 6 o'clock, the official advisory, the wind itself doesn't just shut off like a light switch. It'll still be blustery, just not as strong. And here are the latest wind gusts. I mean, still going up to 53 miles per hour in Nantucket, 41 on the Vineyard, close to 40 Block Island and Newport, and it's kind of blustery in Providence as well. Just a couple of light random sprinkles and showers in a couple of locations. Again, if you have plans to be outdoors this evening, you may catch a sprinkle, nothing more than that. We're not expecting any downpours. However, of course, the rain was coming down in sheets last night. And what the Doppler radar can do is actually estimate how much rain has fallen over a given period of time. And the colors quite simply represent rainfall amounts. And these strips of yellow and orange indicating where some of the heavier rain was located. Statewide, it was a general 1 to 3 inches of rain, but there were a few isolated 4-inch amounts in West Warwick and Coventry right in here. And in fact, I had, coming home, what time did I get home? 2:30 in the morning I got home. And on my drive home, I went through a few streets that had some minor street flooding. So some of the storm drains were clogged up with leaves. But we're much better right now. There's no heavy rain. And looking at temperatures now in the lower to middle 50s, 53 in Providence. So the wind eases tonight. Doesn't shut off completely. Still thinking we may be getting some gusts in that 35 to 40 range. But again, not as strong. Better on Friday. And the weekend is looking pretty good. I'll watch Sunday with some caution. Sunday evening, Sunday night. But it looks like an offshore storm should, in fact, just stay offshore. So other than a few increasing clouds Sunday afternoon, we're looking okay. And there's the storm spinning now across northern New England. Huge circulation of wind around it, influencing the entire northeast. And notice how it pulls away next 24 hours. So the wind will ease up. Here we are tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. We've got sunshine. We're breezy and cool. Sunshine right on through the afternoon. Temps in the upper 50s. The breeze may make it feel a little cooler, but otherwise a nice day. Certainly brighter than what we had today. Heading out Friday night, well, you better take a warm jacket. Late Friday night, temperature's pretty chilly, so when you wake up early Saturday morning, there should be a touch of frost and temperatures in the 30s. All right, wind gust forecast starting off this evening. It's still blustery, but not as strong. You notice these numbers will be coming down. Now, tomorrow's a breezy day, but you see these numbers diminishing as the storm pulls away. So a northwest wind somewhere between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Mostly sunny, breezy, cool tomorrow morning at about 52, and then during the afternoon hours, upper 50s with mainly sunny skies and a northwest breeze at 10 to 20. All right, 7-day forecast. Saturday looks great, but look at the early morning low temperature. Yeah, there'll be a touch of frost. Now, these numbers are like 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. So if you sleep in, you missed that altogether. But sunshine in the afternoon. Sunday right now, we're cautiously optimistic that this storm system stays offshore. So sunshine in the morning, clouds on the increase during the afternoon. They're making strides against breast cancer walk in Providence. The weather looking pretty good, with the brightest part of the day being during the morning and some extra clouds during the afternoon. Temperature not bad in the lower 60s. So still kind of gusty out there right now, but not quite as strong. These winds right now, as far as the power crews trying to fix things, doesn't help any. I mean, we're still gusting over 40 miles per hour, but they will be diminishing next 24 hours.
All right, that's good news.